9th, Friday. I think this is just the starting of summer and it is raining today, as you can see. I'm heading towards 101 and